Hi, I'm Leah, and I'm going to show you how to do a three-stranded braid.
Hi, I'm Florence, and today I'll be showing you how to rope twist.
Hi, I'm Khloe, and today I will be teaching you how to do a French braid.
Hi, I'm Deeksha, and I'll be showing you how to fishtail braid.
What you first want to do is take your hair out of what you already have it in. And I washed my hair last night, so it shouldn't be that tangled and stuff. Because I don't have two rubber bands right now, so I'm only going to do one side. But what you're going to do is split this into 3 sections like this. I take 2 fingers and just go through. And then you have 1, 2, and then 3. And I like to start with this piece. You're going to put it in the middle, and then take the middle strand and put it out. Then you're going to take this strand and put it in the middle, like this, and take the middle strand and put it out. And then you're basically going to do that the whole time. Okay, so then I'm not going to let go, but this is how the braid looks like. I don't know how to put it, so that's how it looks like. And that's the front. And if you want, when you take a shower, you can do that braid. And then when you take it out in the morning, your hair will be nice and wavy. But anyway, thank you for watching.
So hey, it's Florence, and I'll be showing you how to do a rope twist braid. So I'll be showing you how to make this, so it looks really nice. And if you don't really like how this looks, you can actually just tie it in the back like that, okay? So to start off, you're gonna just gently brush your hair, okay? Then what you're going to do is just basically split out a little part, okay? So it should just be a little strand of hair. So I'm gonna tie it off just like this, so we can find it again later. So how to actually do it, so you're gonna just take the hair, and what you're gonna do is split it into 2 sections, okay, like this. So we're gonna choose to twist one way. So I like to twist to the right. So I'm twisting the hair to the right. Can you see that? And then repeat that on the other little part. Okay. So if you're twisting to the right, you're gonna cross the braids over to the left. However, if you're twisting to the left, you're gonna cross them to the right. Okay, so just repeat that, then cross it again. Repeat it, and cross it again. So just keep doing this as long as you like. And so once you get to as far as you want to go, take a little hair tie and just tie it off. Okay? Just like that. So after that, you can do whatever you want with it. You can just tuck it behind. That's how I did it earlier, okay? So now we're gonna repeat that on the other side. So take out your hair tie. Do the split again, just like that. Gonna still twist to the right. So after you get to where you want, just tie it off. So usually I end it when the hair starts to like, you can see like it starts to stick out like that. Okay, usually I end it there. Or once you get to like perhaps the bottom, like down here. Okay, so after that, you can just tuck it behind, like that. And so if you want, you can also take another hair tie and tie them together. So you get a really nice looking, looks like kind of a headband, kind of, if you see what I mean. And so you've got two ways of doing a rope twist braid, like this. Okay, and also like this, which also looks really nice.
Hi, I'm Khloe, and today I will be teaching you how to do a French braid. Let's get started. Okay, so what you need is a brush and any kind of rubber band, scrunchie, or elastic. Okay, start off by just brushing your hair. Also, if your hair is really knotty, feel free to put water on your brush and then brush it. Okay, so once you're done with just brushing your hair, get rid of your part and just hold it for a half up, half down ponytail. Okay, so now that you have your half up, half down ponytail, you're gonna split it into three sections. Your three sections, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the two outer ones and just put it over the middle strand. So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna take one of the outer ones and put it on the side and grab some more hair and then put it over the middle strand. Before you do that side again, you're gonna do it to the other side. And repeat. Now all the hair underneath is gone. Just braid it normally until all your hair is at the bottom. What you want to do is take your rubber band, scrunchie or elastic, and just tie your hair up. Okay, that's it.
And here are the
And
results.
repeat.
Hi, I'm Deeksha and I'll be showing you how to fishtail braid. Today I'll be showing you how to fishtail braid on my doll. So the things you need to fishtail braid is a comb, a dish of water, and also a hair tie. So I like to use a comb because of his tiny teeth. The tiny teeth make sure that there's precision, but if you use a brush, it would usually be used for detangling. I like to use a little bowl of water because it stops hair from flying away and it starts to make it stick together and it can dry and there are going to be no residue. But if you use hairspray or hair gel or some of those products, it leaves a sticky residue and sometimes can make the hair sticky. I also like to use a hair tie because how else are you supposed to hold the hair together? So the first step I like to do is comb through the doll hair to make sure there's no tangles or knots or anything that would stop it from being silky smooth and no knots. So once you comb through it, I like to dip my fingers in my dish of water and just smooth it throughout the doll hair. So when you smooth it, it stops the hair from going around. So you have to continue putting water on the doll hair and don't put too much, put a little so it's easier and it doesn't stick too much. So the first step that you need to do to begin
Thanks for
fishtail
watching.
braiding
Remember
is
to keep
make
practicing.
2 sections.
Now you know
of
how
the
to
hair.
do 4 types of
Section
braids.
A
Have a
and
nice day!
Section B. So once